Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All the way from South Africa is Wimbuamiso. I just want to find out one thing. Why you guys got such a big problem with South African refugees coming over? And why you say they're not refugees? Let me tell you one thing about the persecution of the Afrikaner on this side. 142 race-based laws. You guys should know that by all the podcasts on YouTube. The hatred that gets sown against us. You are saying, yeah, there's no genocide, there's no farm murders. In the past 2 weeks, there were 7 farm murders and 7 farm attacks and 4 farm murders. So who are you to say that it's not true? Why don't you do your homework about South Africa before you have something to say about the people living here? And it's true, there are so many good people in South Africa, white, black, Indian. But the ANC, the EFF and the MK, they are the problem in South Africa. They don't care about their own people. They don't care about nothing in life. So, except themselves and their own fucking pockets. So, fuck you government. Fuck you government. This Afrikaner will not pay a cent of tax. Of that, I will do nothing, fuck all, for you until you give me and the Afrikaner the same rights as what everyone else has in this country. We are not here to be fucking played with. Huh? Now you are calling them cowards, but they want a better life for themselves and for those children. Did you not see on the videos that was on YouTube how many children there are? So the parents are doing that for a better life for their children. Huh? No, man. Everyone, guys in the world, can you not see what's happening? The devil is taking over this fucking world. With all the wars, all the hate, all the everything. But we are all people. No, man. Do your homework before you say anything about South Africa. And julle fucking wokies daar van Amerika, fuck you. Let's understand each other. You must leave my fucking people alone. They are trying to better themselves. And what are you doing? Julle fucking breek hulle af. No, man. But thank you to the good Americans. Thank you to President Donald Trump. Thank you to Elon Musk. Thank you to all the good people that have a heart, that have love for other people, that have faith in God, and that has faith in other people as well. Thank you for that. And to all you little fucking woke fuckers that are talking shit, fuck you van Suid-Afrika af. Here's a little fuck you from South Africa. Get a heart. Get a life.